Today we are going to about image mapping and putting it so the something wherein we want to show it in a certain and image contain loss and you want those blocks to be a point of reference for other image. Started the programming and first I am going to programming it is 14 years. So let's start it. Let's start programming and we'll see where it goes. In case there is anything that we can change or modify, if something goes wrong, we'll do that. So I have just the paragraph and then I'm using the emulator website for the image. Here it is a .gif file. The alternative talked about it in an earlier video. Just some img, then the styling. We want to click on to the right. Now define the width. Then the height. Close the tag and then the text. Next one, you want to float it to the right. Yeah, float it to left, sorry. I mean when we reverse the direction. Again the image source is the same, which is the same smiley. Then the source, sorry, alternate text. And then the actual style. We wanted to float it to left. Width 40 pixels again, and height 40 pixels again. Then some text, which is like IT space, and then close the paragraph. Let's see what outcome we get if the images goes to the left along with the text or not. Yeah, so you can see that next to Bhatia, the Bhatia text, there's an image, and next to IT space there's an image. Now on to the next one. In the next one, we use um, an image which is and the text would, and then according to the next step do. So give us a better understanding. So let's start writing the code. It's img src, that's the actual image, out of which we will make divisions and then do the editing. The alternate text, Then use map is one an additional attribute which has to be there if you want to work on the image for the mapping. Now defining the map. Then in the next line we're defining the area. Again using, there are several other attributes you can see, but for this one I am using rectangular and the coordinates are being defined. So for the coordinates, my first coordinate goes, now its coordinates are pixel wise. It's 3 4 4 4 2 7 0 3 5 0. In the next video we might talk about in detail about how to pick up these coordinates, but I don't think that's what the focus would be, because that would might go out of context. So we're just gonna stick to only this video wherein we'll talk about these attributes, and then the HTML, meaning the broken HTML file, which will point to this text. Sorry, this is rectangular block. Then next is another area. Shape is rectangular again. Coordinates 290, 172, 333, 250. Then the alternate text, just give it as phone, and the reference page for this one. Again, this is coming from our emulate, and then the shape is equal to coordinates for this one. Three three seven 300 and 44, and then alternate text pointing to the hyperlink reference .html. That's what the syntax follows, and then end the map. Let's see how it runs in the emulator. Okay, so we'll have to zoom out for this one so that the entire image the entire image is in one. Now we want to check, if we click on the computer, what opens if we click on this phone and the coffee. Let's click on coffee. Doesn't take me anywhere. Same for the computer, same for the mouse. Okay, now let's check what went wrong. Image source src is workplace jpg. Alternate image Okay, alternate is fine. Then use map is work map is hash map. So if you miss assigning anything, it's going to cause issues. Here is work map and then the map name and all that. Click on run. Now I think it like us. So let's click on the computer. So take to the computer page. Again, to go back, I am just gonna click on run again. Click on the phone. It takes you to the phone page. Again, click on the run. Click on the coffee, and it takes you to coffee page. To this small text for coffee. And the partial part. So that's it for video. Video management and also yeah, images